everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. And for this video, our topic is all about reference angle. So, what is reference angle? So, reference angle are positive acute angles formed between the terminal side and the x-axis. So, here is the illustration. So, in quadrant 1, this red line is our terminal side and the blue is our x-axis. The green is our standard angle and the red is our reference angle. So in quadrant 1, the reference angle is equal to the standard angle. In quadrant 2, this is our reference angle, our terminal side, the standard angle, our x-axis, and our reference angle. So why we can consider this angle as our reference angle? It is because reference angle is an acute angle. Then, in quadrant 3, this is our terminal side, our x-axis, the standard angle, and our reference angle. In quadrant 4, this is our terminal side, the x-axis, the standard angle, and our reference angle. So here, formulas in solving for the reference angle. So in quadrant 1, measure of angle 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Here, from here to here, which is the quadrant 1, 0 to 90 degrees. The measure of reference angle is equal to the standard angle. In quadrant 2, here, measure of angle 90 degrees to 180 degrees. The reference angle is equal to 180 minus the standard angle. In quadrant 3, here, the measure of angle is 180 degrees to 270 degrees. So the measure of the reference angle is equal to the standard angle minus 180 degrees. And in quadrant 4, the measure of angle is 270 degrees to 360 degrees. So the measure of reference angle is equal to 360 degrees minus the standard angle. For example, 90 degrees. So 90 degrees is here, this angle. So, based on the formulas in the reference angle of the reference angle, in quadrant 1, the measure of the standard angle is equal to the reference angle. That is why our reference angle for 90 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. Number 2, we have 205 degrees. Based on the illustration, 205 degrees is in quadrant 3. That is why we will use reference angle is equal to standard angle minus 180 degrees. Then substitute the standard angle, which is 205 degrees. So we have reference angle is equal to 205 degrees minus 180 degrees, which is the result is 25 degrees. So our reference angle is 25 degrees, which is between the terminal side and the x-axis. Example number 3. We have negative 200 degrees. So negative 200 degrees, based on the graph, it is in the second quadrant. The direction of the angle is clockwise. It is because it is negative. So we will put absolute value. So we have reference angle is equal to the absolute value of standard angle plus 180 degrees. Then substitute the value of the standard angle. We have negative 200 degrees plus 180 degrees. So we have negative 20 degrees. And thus absolute value of negative 20 degrees is 20 degrees. That is why our reference angle for negative 200 is 20 degrees, which is here, between the terminal side and the x-axis. Example number 4. We have 3 pi over 4. So first, we will convert the radian into degrees. So we have 3 pi over 4 times 180 degrees over pi. Cancel the pi. So we have 3 times 180 is equal to 540 degrees. 4 times 1 is equal to 4. So 540 degrees over 4, we have 135 degrees. So based on the graph, 135 degrees is in the second quadrant. So we will use the formula reference angle is equal to 180 degrees minus standard angle. So we have 180 degrees minus 135 degrees. The result is 45 degrees, which is here. Number 5. 5 pi over 9. So first, as what we have done in the example number 4, let's convert the radian into degrees. So we have 5 pi over 9 times 180 degrees over pi. So cancel the pi. 5 times 180 over 9 is equal to 100 degrees. So if we graph the 100 degrees, so it is in the second quadrant. So we will use the formula reference angle is equal to 180 degrees minus standard angle. So we have 180 degrees minus 100 degrees is equal to 80 degrees. Here, this is our reference angle. The reference angle of 5 pi over 9 is equal to 80 degrees.